Welcome to the Good Cooking Ideas channel. Today I'm going to make a very delicious Chinese dish, Stir Fried Squid. This video is going to present how to process the squid and how to cook the squid tender and soft. For this dish, we will need one large-sized squid, about 1 pound, half an onion, 200 grams of sweet chili, 1 red pepper, garlic, ginger, and spring onions. Let's get it started. Slice the ginger about 15 grams. Cut the spring onions into 1.5 inches long. Separate the green portion from the white portion for different use. Cut 3 cloves of garlic into small chunks. Remove the seeds from the red pepper and cut it into small pieces in diamond shape. Slice onion about 50 grams. Then cut 200 grams of sweet chili. Now let's prepare the squid. First of all, remove the backbone. The backbone was broken into 3 small pieces. Then remove the internal organs from the body. Squeeze out the teeth. Then remove the squid ink sac. And cut off the suckers from the tentacles. Then cut the tentacles. Scissor the squid from the middle. Then remove the membrane and remove the wings. Now we are going to cut the squid into diamond pattern. This will give the squid a really nice looking and very tender. Run your knife gently and evenly. Make sure you have the internal side up and do not cut it off. Switch to a different angle and we do the same thing again. Then cut the squid into small pieces. Put the squid into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix it. Boil the water. Add the sliced ginger and the white portion of the spring onion. Bring it to boil. Add the squid to the boiling water. Cook only 1 minute. Then take it out quickly and drain off the water. Also, take away the ginger and the spring onion. Now add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, half teaspoon of the cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon of the oil. Mix well. Heat a wok again, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, add sliced ginger, garlic, and green portion of the spring onion. Stir fry till it smells fragrant. Then add onions, sweet chili, and red pepper. Stir fry only 1 minute. Seasoning with 1 teaspoon of salt. Finally, add our squid. Turn the heat as high as possible. Stir fry quickly. Only cook 1 minute. Add another teaspoon of white pepper powder. Then we are done. For this dish, we only cook the squid 2 minutes. 1 minute to boil, another minute to stir fry. This is the way we keep the squid so tender and delicious. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.